Choosing the right web host for your personal or business website is one tough decision you will ever make. With all the web hosts out there promising high uptime scores, security, server reliability, friendly support, and unlimited resources, is there a way to cut the jargon and choose the best of all? What's up friends, Amar here, and Bluehost has earned itself a position on the list of the most popular web hosts. And today we explore why Bluehost web hosting service could be the best option for you. Well, apart from being the power behind more than 2 million websites from across the world, Bluehost is a brand that has involved itself in multiple businesses, which explains why it can offer its customers huge discounts on their products. So click the link in the description below this video to get their most recent discount. So I gathered some general information about Bluehost, and they have the most affordable prices for the quality of the service they offer. They give you a free domain name, free CDN, and free SSL certificate. They have a great customer support. I tried them myself multiple times. They are very nice, they are highly trained, and the most important, they are very fast. If you ask for support, they will get there like in 30 minutes maximum. Officially recommended by WordPress, so Bluehost is one of the favorite web hosts for WordPress according to WordPress themselves. One-click WordPress install. You can install your WordPress website. Once you get your hosting, you install it in one click, and you get access to the WordPress admin panel straight from your Bluehost dashboard. They give you 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like the service for any reason, you ask for a refund. The only thing that you will not get a refund for is the domain name. They keep like $16 or some for the domain name they purchased for you to offer you as like free domain. So I use myself Bluehost for my blogs and affiliate websites, and this one is one of them. This one is hosted on Bluehost. It has a good response time. The speed is great, and I have the support I want, whatever I wanted. They work like 24 hours a day. You can contact them by chat, by telephone, or by email. And on my dashboard, if I click on this button here, I will go straight to my WordPress admin panel. The top 4 pros I like about Bluehost are the speed. Speed is a very important metric for website ranking on Google. It is very serious metric, so we don't play with that. And the speed with Bluehost is great. The response time is very good, is an average of 91 milliseconds. Now the uptime also is very important when the website is always up and running and the servers are handling the traffic. That's very important thing as well. And as you can see, the uptime of the Bluehost servers is around 99-98%, and it was like 100% these last weeks. The support is very important for beginners, because if something happens on the website, they can rely on the Bluehost support. They are there 24/7. You can chat with them, send them emails, or call them on the phone, and they are usually very fast. I tried them myself multiple times, and the request is resolved very fast. The other thing is that Bluehost is beginner friendly, and as you can see, once you log into your dashboard, everything is easy to find. You have a left hand side menu here, and you have this button here to log in to your WordPress admin panel. I mean, even if you click here on advanced and you go to cPanel, their cPanel is very well built, and you have all the tools you need as a beginner or as an advanced user. So this one, for example, here is to install more WordPress websites. Now let's take a look at the Bluehost shared hosting plans, and they have 4: Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro. So for the bandwidth, they are all unmetered. That means that you can get as much traffic as you want or as you can. For the number of websites, if you take the basic at $295, you'll be able to create or set up only one website. So if you want to create more than a website, this is not for you. You can go with the Plus or the Choice Plus or the Pro. For the storage, with the basic plan, you have only 50 gigabytes, which is not much. If you want to create just a small website, then it's okay, you can do that. But if you want to do more than that, you have to go with the other plans. For the email accounts, you can create with the basic, you can create 5 email accounts, but you can create as much as you want with the other plans. Now the recommended plan is the Choice Plus at $545 a month. So this has everything unmetered, but you can say what's the difference here. I will show you in a second what is exactly the difference between Plus and Choice Plus. One important thing that you need to know, that the renewal website after the first term will change, as you can see on this table here. So let's say that you take a 1-year term, you will pay these prices here for the 1 year, and after that you will go to these prices here. These are monthly prices after the first term. Now if we go to the website, you can see that the Plus and the Choice Plus are the same in the price, but the Choice Plus has some features like the free domain privacy, which is very important if you want to hide your information from the public, and also free automated backup for 1 year. I mean, you don't worry about your website if you're hacked or something, you always have a backup of your website. Now if you decide to go with the 36 months term, you will pay $745 instead, and then after that you will go to the renewal price I showed you in the table before. Now Bluehost also has excellent security features. While Bluehost is a cheap hosting option, its architecture doesn't cut corners on security features and options. For example, you will be provided with a free SSL certificate no matter the hosting plan that you choose. Additionally, you are allowed to access a free CDN, which will speed up your website more and more. So is Bluehost recommended? Well, yes. The web host service is steadily improving in service delivery to users. Also, they have powerful servers that ensure over 99% uptime all the time. You will love their user-friendly apps and affordable hosting plans. Still, Bluehost isn't perfect, so you can still ask for a refund of your money if you don't like what they offer. Now let's go ahead and see how fast and how easy you can build your WordPress website on Bluehost. And before I get into the details, please, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like the video, and or drop a comment. It will be very appreciated. So now, when you create your Bluehost account and then you log in for the first time, you can go here to where it says My Websites. Of course, you will find nothing here because you don't have any websites yet. But what you need to do to create your first website is click on this blue button here saying Create a Website. And now it will suggest some like features, but you want to say no, go to WordPress. And here is where you start building your premium WordPress website. And the first thing you need to enter here is the site name, the name of your website. Of course, you know exactly what your website will be about, and then you need to put your the name of your website on the first field here, and you put a tagline on the second field here. So I put just for training. This is an example website, and here is one important thing that you should do. You click on the advanced here, and then you put an email address where you will receive your notifications and everything. Well, the website will communicate with you. And then here, WordPress admin username and the password are used to log into the back office of your website or the back end of your website. I'm not talking about the Bluehost back office, but each WordPress website will have its own admin panel where you can add and remove the content. You can set up lots of things about your specific website. And the advice I'm going to give you here is to choose a specific admin username. So if you keep it just like that, it will be admin as username, and then you get a password. But it's a very good thing if you don't put admin here. Put something specific, like for example Amar, and then Amar, and then you put dash, and then you put something else. Put it something that is complicated, and this is for security reasons, because hackers, they just assume that the WordPress username is admin, and then they start guessing the password. So if we change the username to something else, it will complicate things for the hackers. So I just put Amar-training, and then I put a password, and then I click on the next button. All right. So on this page, you will choose the website or the domain name that you want to install the new website for, and in your case it will be only the domain name that you bought or that you purchased when signing up. But in my case, I have many websites, and I'm going to actually use this one here called affiliatesrated.com. But since there is already a website there, I'm going to put it on a subdirectory. Let's call it training. So the website will be affiliatesrated.com/training. So the website will be installed in a subdirectory called training. Now, this will suggest to use a few plugins, but I prefer, going for the plugins later after I install the website and everything. So I'm going to untick all these and then press next. Now it's building the website. We need to wait for a few minutes. And now it's done, and it says congratulations, WordPress installed successfully. So you have your username for the admin panel, the password, you have the website URL, which is affiliatesrated.com/training, and you have the admin panel here, affiliatesrated.com/training/wp-admin. Here is where you access the admin panel of your new website. And if you want to check your new website, the front end, you go to this URL. Let's open it. So when we open the new website on a new page, this is exactly what we see, and it says here a new WordPress website, and it says it's coming soon. We will go to the admin panel and customize our website. Let's open the admin panel. So select this URL and open it on a new tab. It will show the admin panel for this specific website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the username that I used for this specific website, and then I will type the password. One quick second. So alright, let's click on login, and in a few seconds you will see the back end of your website, which is this one here. So here you can add or remove content, you can add, remove themes, templates, plugins, users, lots of things that you can manage from this back end here. So now let's go ahead and build our premium website, and the first thing you want to do is head to Appearance and install a specific theme. So I'm going to click on Themes, and then you will see some options like the previous themes, and you have this button here to add a new theme. So click on this button, and on the search bar you can type the word Astra. And once you type that, you will see the first one here at the left hand side. All you have to do is click on install and then activate. So when I click on activate, this theme here will be activated instantly. So now this is the active theme. The second thing you want to do is head to plugins and then click on add new, and on the search bar you want to type starter templates, like here, and you will see it here on the left hand side, starter templates with Elementor. So click on install, and then it will ask you which editor you want to use after you activate, of course. And for me, I like to use Elementor. So now we install the Astra theme, and also we install the plugin called Starter Templates. These starter templates will install with them the Elementor editor, the one that will allow you to change the content of your pages. But first, let's choose one of these starter templates that suits your needs and looks like the content you want to put on your new website. And as you can see here, these are fully completed websites that you can use. I mean, there are some of them that are not free. The ones that you see here, agency, these are not free. So it's good if you click here on this arrow and then click on free, and here you can see only the free websites that you can use. So let's say, for example, you are a freelancer, like it says here, freelance copywriter, roofing services, life coach, online programming courses. You will find something that has a relation with the content of your future website. This is, for example, custom printing, accountant, windows and door services. Let's take the one that says freelancing. So if I click on it, you will see that this is a 4 pages website. And then if you click on this button here saying import complete website, you will have instantly a website looking like this. And all you have to do after that is customize the content. You can change this picture, you put the picture of yourself, change the title, the taglines, all the content of the pages are customizable. If you don't like this one, you can go back and then choose another one. Let's say, for example, you want to do something that has with yoga, or you are a yoga instructor, or any other website that you like on this list here. If I click on this one here, this is a 3 pages website. If I go to the music, for example, this is a 5 pages website. Let's say I want to use this one. All you have to do is click on import the complete website, and then you will have to wait a little bit until it installs. But before if you already installed one of those premium websites, all you have to do is click on this one here, delete previously imported, and click on import. It will ask you for your name and your email address. You can skip this, and then now it is actually installing the new website on your domain name. So let's give it a minute and then come back to it. And now it has been done, and it says hooray, the website imported successfully, and it says here view the website. So if I click here, I will see the front end of the new website, and as you can see, it is completely done. It has all the content on it, and it has the footer here area where there are the pages, the contact information. There is a menu on the top as well. If you want to click on this page here, guitars, it will take you to the page that shows the guitars. And then if you go to contact, there will be a contact form for you. So in a few minutes you got a premium website installed on your domain. So this is the fastest way to get a high quality website using WordPress and using Bluehost hosting. Bluehost for me is the best one. It has a very good speed, it has a lots of options. So if you are interested, please click on the link below in the description or in the first comment, and if you have any other questions, please drop them in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next video.